Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Nice, simple, quick, easy video today. We're going to be swapping out some wheels. So without further ado, let's get outside and let's get cracking. Okay then, so right here you can see the BMW 1 Series of course. And we're going to be swapping out the wheels. Now you're probably wondering why am I swapping out the wheels, because we have not long just installed these wheels. We obviously transferred them over from the BMW 3 Series here, and that is because we have a set of winter wheels to go on. Now these are just standard 16-inch steel rims with just a set of winter tyres on. Now I must say these tyres are very old. These tyres are 10 years old. Now you can see they do have a decent amount of tread on them, but the fact that they are 10 years old means that realistically I shouldn't be using them. Now I do not recommend using tyres that are 10 years old. I think let's have a look at the date. I think the date is the date is just there, 45th week on 2011, I believe that is. So yeah, that is quite literally exactly 10 years old. Now they do recommend to swap out tyres after 10 years old, but obviously I'm taking my own risks here. Like I said, I do not recommend anyone else using tyres that are 10 years old. These actually don't look in too bad condition. I mean, usually you'd start to see a lot of cracking and whatever else, but these actually don't look in too bad condition. I know you can never know, and that's why they say after 10 years you should swap them out. But needless to say, I am going to be installing these on the car. They're not going to be sticking around for long, don't worry. The plan is literally just to get one winter out of these, then they will be going, don't worry. And with that being said as well, the BMW 1 Series is really not used a whole lot. It's only used for local driving, so I don't intend to be going anywhere far or anywhere fast on these wheels. It's quite literally just going to be if we have any snow or any bad weather, these should come in handy. Like I said, if I can get a couple of trips out of these, that'll be good, and then we can literally just scrap the tires themselves, and then obviously get some new ones to go on the rims for next winter. But with all that being said, before I go ahead and install these onto the car, I'm going to try and clean them up a little bit. As you can see, they do have some surface corrosion. It's nothing sort of unexpected. These are steel rims after all. I don't know if they're painted or powder coated from factory, but there's not a whole lot we can do about it. We could go ahead and get these refurbished, but I'm really not too bothered. They're just winter wheels at the end of the day. But we're going to try and give them a bit of a clean up, a bit of a spruce up before they go on the car. Now I do also have these wheel trims that came with the wheels as well. Whether or not I'm going to install those, I really don't know. They don't really look the best, to be honest. Do they look like poverty spec wheels, which of course they obviously are, but I think I'll more than likely just give them a clean up and then see how they look, as they are on the car like that. Okay, let's just give them a bit of a rinse off first. Okay, so gave all 4 wheels a bit of a rinse off. What I'm going to do next is use this Yum Undress, spray it all over the tyres and get the tyres nice and clean. So that is all of the tyres now undressed. I'm going to give them another rinse off, and then I'm going to mount them to the car, and then we will move on to giving them a proper clean and then a good dress as well. You know what, I didn't actually check to see if these fit over the calipers, because obviously these are only 16-inch wheels, standard wheels are 18-inch. I think it should, because they're only standard size calipers. So moment of truth anyway coming up. Oh, I think just. Okay, so seems to fit fairly all right. Okay, so we definitely need air. They are near on flat. But what can I say, they seem to fit. Yeah, I think we'll get all 4 tyres installed, get them up to pressure, and then we will give them a clean and give the tyres a good dress. Wheels don't fit on the front. Obviously, front brakes, bigger calipers. The wheel doesn't go on all the way, it just rubs up against the caliper, and yeah, not good. I think we're going to need some spacers, either 10mm, 12mm or 15mm. You can see it just doesn't want to go on all the way, whereas this is how it should look. Okay, so it's about a week later now, and we have some wheel spacers, so I went ahead and ordered some 12mm wheel spacers. Just thought I'd try to make sure that the wheel does now fit, and it turns out that the wheel still does not fit. And I thought, oh, maybe I just need a bigger spacer, maybe I need a 15 or 20mm spacer. No, it's not the spacer. I've tried putting both of these together, which would equal like 24mm. I just don't think the diameter of the wheel is big enough for the calipers. When I try to fit it on, it is just scraping around this lip here. Like I said, no matter how many spaces I put on, it just seems to scrape on this lip here. So yeah, I really don't think these wheels are going to fit at the front. Obviously we have the rears on, but yeah, these are not going to be able to go on the front at all. Well, that was a bit of a fail, wasn't it? So I bought these wheels with the knowledge that they would fit this BMW 130i, and the previous owner said they have just came off a BMW 1 Series, so they should fit. Obviously we now know they do not fit. I should have done my own research. I know, I guess with it being a 130i, the calipers are slightly bigger and they probably need at least 17-inch wheels to go over them. So it's my fault at the end of the day, but it is frustrating. I've spent the best part of £100 and something on the set of wheels and on some spacers and on some elongated bolts, and they're pretty much all now no good to me. Obviously I'll keep the spacers and the wheel bolts for the future if you know, if they can come in handy. But the wheels are pretty much scrap. Like I said, the tyres are like 10 years old now. They shouldn't really be going on the road anyway. And the wheels themselves, these steel rims, they don't fit the car. So yeah, I think what I'll more than likely do is keep the rears on the car just for this winter, and then I'll probably just like chuck them all in the bin because they're no good. If we can get like 1 or 2 snow days out of them and the rear wheels are going to help slightly, then all is good. That's pretty much as good as we could hope for at this point. But it's frustrating, it is what it is. I was kind of thinking not uploading this video because, like I said, it has been pretty much a fail. But yeah, I guess if you are to take anything away from it, then, you know, if you're buying some wheels or whatever, make sure they fit. You know, confirm that they do fit your car, because you don't want to buy wheels and then have to either sell them or throw them away, which I'm having to do in this instant. What else? Also, yeah, when it comes to tyres, don't use tyres that are like 10 plus years old. Like I said, I'm just doing it for a couple of months and then they'll be going in the bin. But on the whole, you know, you shouldn't really be using tyres that are that old. What else? Winter tyres. I'd recommend, if you have a BMW, you know, use some winter tyres, because like I said, I had some, I think it must have been Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tyres, and in the snow they were terrible. I was going about 10-15 miles an hour, and yeah, my back end was just like sliding all over the place. So yeah, I definitely recommend some winter tyres. Obviously I haven't had a chance to use them in the snow yet, but I'm guessing they're going to be a lot better than summer tyres. About those Michelin Pilot Sport 4s as well, they're absolutely unreal in the wet, in the dry, in the summer, just not very good in the snow. So I would recommend getting a separate set of winter wheels with some decent winter tyres on if you plan on driving your car in the winter time. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna wrap this video up, and hopefully you guys have taken something away from it. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!